to rebalance a tire on a conventional steel rim. This differs slightly from an aluminum rim on the setup on the machine and the type of weights we're going to use. So the customer concern is a shimming in the steering wheel, and I suspect that the tire is out of balance. So before I remove the weights and proceed to balance the tire, it's best to verify the customer complaint by leaving the weights on, setting it up on the machine, spinning it, and see if it actually is out of balance. So when I'm doing a steel rim as opposed to an aluminum rim, if you remember, for the aluminum rims I was selecting my mounting cone out of this display. For the steel wheels, I'm going to reach around to the back side of the machine and I'm going to grab one of these. I'm going to find one that fits in the rim assembly, and putting it on the machine is the same procedure, except this time the cone comes in from the front, and instead of using the cup with the protective rubber wrapper, I am going to use just a spacer. Step on the pedal to hold the spindle, tighten it, and now, because this is a steel wheel and the weights are on the outside, I need to tell the machine that that's where I'm going to put the weights. I have to size the assembly, and when I grab these arms, you'll look at the screen and it shows me exactly where to place them. Once I have them placed, you can see down in the right corner it has me stepping on the pedal, and it comes up as a 16-inch rim, and it's about 6.5 inches wide. Put those back in their appropriate spots, and I'm going to proceed to check balance the tire. Okay, so what you'll notice is it's asking for 1.5 ounces on the inside. And if I look down here, it's telling me that my radial imbalance is the problem. My lateral balance is okay. But because I did not take the weight off initially, I'm going to begin the process by stripping the weight, because I know the assembly is out of balance, so that verified my customer concern. And there is no weight on the back side, so now I am going to respin. And in this case, by removing that weight, it actually wants less weight on the inside. Now the difference being on a steel wheel, I'm going to come over here to the weights, and my conventional steel rim, I am usually selecting a weight from the top shelf. And the difference between the top shelf and the P's, the AWs or the MCs are actually the opening for the lip configuration. So I'm going to select a P weight. I'm going to put it in the appropriate spot on the rim, dead center on the laser. Tap it on, and I'm going to proceed to check spin. And that's what it should look like when the assembly is properly balanced.